What is up, you money grubbing fiends? And yeah, bro, I just didn't drop a video yesterday because I was too busy protesting being poor. But yeah, check this shit out, boy. Bro, this has been straight nasty, boy. God, you see that shit on you? God, I knew it was gonna come bounce back, but not like this quickly and during these times. But look at this shit, that shit's just flipping like gymnastics. Hey, let's not look AMDs. I don't know. They would look a lot better at 56. Honestly, they would. Alright, let's move on to the next one. Look at this. Ooh, no, right here. This one I just threw money at it because I'm like, I knew everything was gonna go up. I just threw money at it. I didn't know shit about it. I'm like, oh, just drop a couple racks on it and see what's up with it. But yeah, this is the hallway of no returns. Once we get past it, you know what I'm saying, we might be seeing a little cheeky. Look, even one of them, 9 cents. Hey, we're up. Hey, we up. Alright, now I gotta move that down. I gotta move right down to the breadwinners. This is the breadwinner table. Oh my. Hey, I literally bought 8x8 bag yesterday, I believe. I sold it when it was around 15, bought it back around 14 something, and now we back at it like a crack addict. This is another one. Look, I just threw money at it and it just big bounce, bro. It just big bounce. Check the redwood, you know what I'm saying? You gotta trust that. Cosmos Energy, I need to see you at $2 again, boy. I need to see you at $2 again, boy. El Dorado, you're making me real proud. I heard y'all are opening casinos already. That's what's up. Hustlers don't stop. They keep going. Hey, Disney's about to host the NBA in Orlando, so that shit's about a big bouncing. All the virgins out there are waking up. Virgin Galactic 16. I don't know what the fuck that is. Big titty Ameritrade, bro. Whoever runs this shit, hey, shout out to you. Hey, Tesla, you big dick monster, bro. Just dicking all the stocks down in comparison. Hey, I'm real glad. Ooh, yes sir. Big titty Ameritrade and big titty bank, boy. We tag teaming these fucking stocks. Yeah. Hey, I told y'all I was feeding for that big O for a reason. For that fat ass $8 dividend. God damn, that's fucking sad. That shit's looking sad, boy. You put 2 racks, you only get $8 back. Alright, bet. I'm only gonna buy more then, huh? Hey, gotta move that back. But yeah, this is the hallway of no returns. It's looking bleak, especially for Ford. All that rising they doing is not fooling me. The car industry's going down. Bitcoin, man, it was at 808. I thought it was gonna drop into 7s, but nah. All right, this is the Robinhood feed, and check me out.